What's the deal? What's up, everybody? We made it through to Friday. What's going on, everyone? Got Max. Mint shit. Kiwi Dragon. Almost mint. W day already? Oh no, I just got up and I got fucking the masonry guys fucking laying down bricks in my backyard, and it's like, got comics open here in about 2 minutes, but we're waiting on the news at 8:30. And you know what? Let's mark up some ranges here before that happens. Wow, the daily drove. Sheesh. Interesting. Everything is bullish. Okay, so this will be pretty interesting. We're in no man's land right now. No positions here at the moment. Yeah, let's see how we open up for news. Got 2 folders today, 8:30 and 10. Let's see if we can be out and off the charts before 10. You said last night it will drive on London. Well, guess we weren't wrong. Basement break? Yeah. Good, Max. I'm good. This should be interesting, because I think if we close right now, okay. So the news can get interesting here. Sorry, gang, I'm really tired. Which time frame? These are ranges for the higher time frame, the 1 hour and the 4 hour, but we're gonna use them on the 30 here. What's happening is the 30 is gonna close here. And if the 30 closes above this, its own previously made resistance, right? If we close above 63,898 here, 63.9, there's a chance that the very next candle, oh, whoops, wrong color. Yeah, if this is what we look like on the 30 right now, there's a chance next candle drives up, right, off the news, but doesn't drive completely. There's a resistance in this area, a minor one. So if you look back, just above these highs at the tip of this wick right here. And if we might drive up and then eventually flip bearish, right, come down, make that bottom wick, and then re-break the highs here. And my position will be on the re-break of the initial push after we come back down, make a bottom wick to come up. Okay, so it'll make that top wick, it'll come back down in range, and then it'll come back up and flip, and that's going to be our position will be the re-break of the highs, not the flip. Because right there, if you guys could see it, see this line, that's where I drew it, that's where candles drive off of. Let me see if we can make that a little easier to see. See right there, that's that resistance that I was talking, that's right above where we are. Right above the level that I drew here. So let's see how the news plays out. And if the first thing we do on the news, because if we don't close above here, and the first thing we do is head down, right? We'll take the re-break of the lows on that initial push down. Ranges are massive, yeah. Ranges are massive. This is analysis strictly for the news here. Let's see how it plays out. But the ranges are pretty big. We're entering right into rarely touched territory. Seldom seen. That's how I called it. Last time it spiked up and dropped, yes, but if we see a spike up, a drop, and the re-break of the highs, we'll take a re-break of the highs. It's not to say we will see it, it's to say that if we see it. What would a sell look like? You'll see us push below here. Right, the previous hourly was bearish, so now if we start coming back in range, right? It's very key how we close and how we open. If we close like we are right now, and first thing we do is come up and break the hourly high, previous this hourly high, the overall, and flip bearish, then I'll have positions. Because if the 30 close really weak bullish, we can take a flip based on the fact that it'll be respecting this area. So it can close really weak bullish, right? Close right below it. As soon as it makes a top wick and flips, we'll be in on the flip. There's many ways to play this. It really depends on how we close and how the next candle opens. But we will not have buy stops and sell stops. That will not be part of our execution plan here. Any chance you can explain why that would be a good sell? Well, I told you it's gonna close bullish, but it's gonna close bullish respecting this below that. That means it's holding that little resistance, and if we come up, break the highs, that means we're grabbing orders where we haven't grabbed them before, right above here. If we come up, we didn't grab orders in this area before, and then we flip after holding resistance, we're gonna drive down to the next support. 2 minutes. Oh. Yeah, you guys think I'm drinking because I'm thirsty? I'm doing this for us. I'm drinking for us, chat. I'm trying to grab liquidity. Because we might not get a grab. Just trying to grab all the liquidity I can. Plastic water bottles are canceled. I know, they're chalked. That's why I said I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing this for us, chat. I'm sacrificing my health for the betterment of the trade. Get ready for impact. Well, right now, not much we can do because we're printing side by side. We will need to see age reserve. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a slow count. All right, all right. Ooh. We're gonna see a pop here. Never broke the highs. Oh, broke the previous 30 highs, right? But the 30, well, I guess you could say the 30 held resistance here as well if it closes like this. All right, remember how I said if we break the low, we break the highs, come down and make a bottom wick, and then re-break the highs. Remember I said this, we're gonna come up off the rip, come make a top wick, and come down. And if we re-break the highs after we come down, we'll take a position. So if this re-breaks its own high, I will be in a position. If it re-breaks its own low, it's an interesting push. Like that, 1 minute, 5. Typically, I would take an entry here on the rebreak of the low, but we're above this little support. I don't want to reject off of it with that previous closing. I don't want to tap it and pull up, so we're kind of in no man's land here, chat, and we're forced to wait. Give me a sec. Good level we had over here at 2057. Look at that. It tapped it on the dot. When I see stuff like this, I get pretty confident in the level, right? If I see a tap on it and a rejection, makes me think that's a pretty solid level. Five is going to close here below the most. Oh, it's. How's it going to close? Did it close below the most recent? No, the 5 respected support here. So no positions. Close bearish the first 5, but respected support. Well, let's look at the news. I mean, it came out bullish for gold. It came out bad for the dollar. But then again, you see the orange folders came out mixed. That happens a lot. When we get multiple folders, we'll get mixed results. We'll get a mixed bag, and this is what's going on now. So we delete the buy stop. I never set it. I was just waiting for it to get there. Yeah, for now, delete it. If we start coming up, we'll manually execute. As long as it doesn't just drive way past us. Yeah, on the rebreak of the high, I'm looking for a position. I'll have an entry as we break the highs here, if we do break the highs. Current 4-hour no bottom wick. Yeah, I know. I don't have buy stops here, and I don't have sell stops. I have nothing. We're stuck in a range, printing side by side. News came out mixed. Okay, the 5 closed bullish here, so that's good. Closed bullish at a support. Yeah, if you have buy stops here on the break of the highs, delete them. Or if you want to keep them, but I have them deleted for now. I want to see how we come up here. Yeah, if we start breaking the highs before 45, actually that's going to take us into the last 15 of the hourly, last 15 of the 4-hour. I think we're better off waiting for the 4-hour to close here, because then we can actually take a position to retest the highs. After the hourly will close bullish, right? Because the previous hourly closed bear. So now we close bullish. Excuse me. After tapping the support, we'll hold support. After tapping 57 and we close bullish here, means we'll be holding support. Next candle, we're gonna look for buys. What's coming up here before the 15 close? Explain game plan. Well, I was looking for a rebreak of the 30 high here to take buys, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. And if it's going to happen now, it's just very late into this 15 candle. That's where the debate is right now. Because this brings us to the last 15 of the 4-hour, right? And we don't want to be stuck in a pullback and a bottom wick on the next 4-hour. Oh, volume. Volume. Yeah, this might break the highs. If it does right now, if it breaks the high here, I'll take a buy. If it does it before the 15 close, right? Got a mosquito over here attacking me. Oh, and the 15 is going to close above the most recent. Yeah, if it starts driving up, I'll still take a buy even on the last 15 of the 4. I think if we re-break the highs with a bottom wick here, I think we'll be in good shape. I'm in a position here, chat. I just got activated. I'm gonna buy here. If we reject, we'll wait for the next 4-hour, but I'm expecting us to fill the top of the wick here at the very least. So 20, I'm looking to go break even around 2065.29. Chat, I'm gonna close half my position here at 12. I'm gonna go break even. I closed half here at 12 on the dot, and I'm gonna look to see if we can fill this previous wick high. Let's see if we can get up there. 9 pips. Oh, pulling back. Push. We need a. Yeah, we have a 4-hour close, so it might pull back for the 4-hour, but ideally it doesn't. Ideally it just drives through here, but I closed half at 12 there. And it's house money right now, chat. We're break even. If you want to close full, you close full. maybe another push and I'll close full before the 4-hour close. There we go. There we go. A little more. A little more. There we go. Chat, I'm gonna close full here at 17 and I'm gonna wait on the 4-hour close. Yeah, I closed full there at 17, chat. W's? Any W's? Anyone? Chat, I mean, this is the, you guys have to understand, this is the Don Vo lineage of trading. Like, the homie left us with 50 and 0, right? We could not just show up here and go, nah, we're gonna take a loss. No, we're gonna have to. Yeah, we're 6 and 0 in New York, and we're 7 and 0 for the week. Stream record updated. Win number 76. Who's glad they spent the week with Wix 9? And the reason I closed full there is we got a 4-hour close coming up, so I'd expect a pullback, and I don't want it to pull back all the way to our stop. So let's secure what we can, and then we'll look for more on the next 4-hour. Choose dinner with Wix over 50K? You crazy. And we called this, right? Before 8:30. Before the 8:30 candle, right here, right? We called the drive up, the drive down afterwards, and the rebreak of the high. We literally discussed every aspect of it before it happened, and we said if it happens, we'll be in, and it happened, and we are in. Yeah, you could run 4,000 if you want. I'm good. I'm done. Yeah, we couldn't make Don look bad here. Bro, you whispered that you're gonna take that buy? No, I discussed it for quite a bit. And then I said, hey, on the break of the highs, I'm still gonna take a position here. And as soon as we started breaking up, I said, I'm taking a position right here. And you had like a few seconds, you had a good 5, 10 seconds to react. Yeah, I gave plenty of time and I said I'm gonna do it. Definitely a whisper. I'm sorry. Come to London, you and Don should arrange a meetup. Yeah, we're doing that. Damn, this fucker's just running. But as for me, like you said on the shorts video, spend half their time doing other things instead of paying attention. Accidentally hit sell, bro. I remember those days. Missed that awesome Bono wick. You done for the day? I want to see how the 4-hour opens. Maybe we continue pushing up, but this is, you know, it's pretty wild here. How to put this on the journal? Looks like a breakout. This wasn't a breakout. This was the rebreak of the news candle push. Rebreak of the high of the news candle. Don't worry, got out early luckily and re-entered. All right, good shit. More news at 10. Yeah. I wish you were on mute when you said you were closing. I'm sorry. Long term, you'll make more money doing this than holding it for the 4-hour close, because most of the time the end of the 4-hour pulls back for the wick to give you a wick. You making Don look bad? The homie went 50-0. You can't make him look bad. The homie hit $1 million on stream. Impossible to make him look bad. We could win the rest of the year. It's not gonna make him look bad. He looks great. That I'm sorry sounded too real. How are you so convinced it will push up? We explained it, right? The news made a high, we came down, broke the lows, grabbed orders, a rebreak of the news after grabbing orders. It's just how news works. It's just experience. Put it that experience. I'm not any better than you, or I don't have any special powers, and I don't, you know what I mean? And nothing that I do or own is like exclusive to me only. It's really experience, and you can do all this and better. You should be able to outdo me. I should be able to outdo me. You think trading the news is gambling? No, I think trading without an edge is gambling. People have an edge during news, before news, after news. People, there's profitable people just not even looking at the charts, trading fucking trading just fundamentals. Alarm didn't go off at 4 like it was supposed to. Neither did mine. Chat, I wasn't even gonna make it here. I was late because like I was just tired, and then you know how I made it here? My baby, the little one, the 4-year-old, walks over to me and goes, "Dad, go work. You have to go work." I was like, "What?" She's like, "Go stream. Your stream. Go work." And she's just pushing on my cheek. I was like, "What time is it?" She's like, "Morning." Yeah, the 4-year-old got me up. Can we try to get a swing trade? See, those things have to set up. I can't just attempt it. It's got to set up. My better half kicked me at 7:30. Dad, go to your chair. No, she was like, go to work. Go to work. It's like work? Devious can finally sleep. Yes, you know what? Merry Christmas, chat. From from Don Vo and I, and from the rest of the Devious gang. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. I hope the wins that you've seen all week and the wins that you've seen on stream and in the signals, I hope they're gonna help you this Christmas, this holiday season. So, chat, bless me, thank me, I'm welcome. Chat, the man, the myth, the legend is here. Thank you for the $69.99. Appreciate you. How's retirement treating you? How do you feel? How's your back? Old motherfucker. Send me that damn PO box. Ooh, if you DM me asking me for a PO box, there's been a bunch of people that done that. I'm gonna get back to you today. Yeah, if you want to send something in for the Wix 9 Museum of Forex, you'll be able to do so. I'll give you guys a PO box and you'll be able to do that. Close above. Do cooking stream. We've been cooking all morning. All right, Spaceman Sam with the petty dono. Appreciate you. And thank you, Eddie. I think I missed your $4.99. Merry Christmas, Devious. Appreciate you. How do we join your signal channel? You are here. This is the only signals that I provide. Actually, no, here. You go to controllerfx.com. The only signals I'll ever vouch for. The only ones. You go to controllerfx.com and you subscribe to the signals over there. By far the best signals in the game. This guy, 139. This is for HB trading. What's HB? Happy birthday. Who this Don guy? Oh, HB trading. Yeah. 79,000 IDR. We are rich, baby.
Wow, I feel good.
That's right.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
Wow, we fucking slayed the whole week. Chat, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm most likely not taking any more positions today. It's been a flawless week. It's been pretty much almost a flawless month. Yeah, I just, like, there's no point to even trade anymore. We have news at 10. And do you guys want to go through the stress of now breaking that down again? And, like, you got your W for today. That's it. Come back next time. Do the same thing. Refreshed, you know, make that high quality decision. And dip. All right, I'll unsubscribe. Thanks. Uh, oh yeah, and if you got margin called, call our margin call center at 1-800-GOT-CLAPPED. Operators are standing by to hear your sob story. You are my brother from another mother. Hmm. I'm gonna have a talk with my mom. Somebody's lying. Peace out till January. Well, we'll be here next week for whatever days market is open. We will be streaming. You gonna trade? No, we close. Oh, let's close this out. Let's remove this, or let's not. Let's see how far it runs. Happy holidays. Go touch some snow after these dubs all week. Yeah, if I could fucking see snow, I would touch it. Monday too? No. So, chat. Today is the last stream for this week, and then we do not come back, right? Just enjoy these wins, and we do not come back until Tuesday of next week. I will be back streaming on Tuesday, and I think we'll do it Tuesday through Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then it's New Year's. And then we come back in the new year on January 2nd. What was that, beautiful? Oh, candy? Yeah, no, it's too early for candy. Yeah, Monday is the day after Christmas, and Tuesday. What? What? What are you talking about? Eat the candy? Not now, later. It's too early. No, I gotta eat my. Oh, wait. Okay, give me a high five. Go, 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 go. She got me up. She wants her cut. She does. She's like, I'm gonna eat at your job. I was like, what do you mean eat at my job? She's like, yeah, you have a candy on your computer table. Look, and there's a freaking lollipop. She's like, can I come eat at your job? She's so funny. I was like, yeah, whatever. Eat at my job. It's take your kid to work day. Come here. Hey, Sam. Sam? Close the door to the office. Hop on. They want to meet you. You gonna wave? You have to wave. You have to wave and blow him a kiss. Go. Mwah. Go. Okay, then you gotta go. And then wave. You ain't gonna wave? You know what happens to kids that don't wave? They fly really well. Watch. Oh, she's back. She's adorable. You should see the other two. I think they're all the same. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You think it will hit TP? I think it will ride up to 2076. I just don't know how we'll do that. I don't know if we're gonna ride up just now off the volume to finish out the week, or will we just come back in range and drive up to finish out the year next week? Hey, stop biting your nails. Shout me out, Wix 12. Say hi, Martin. Say hi, Martin. No? All right. She don't like you. I'm working. All right, chat. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna give her the candy, and it's freaking 9 in the morning. What candy? Come on. I'm gonna give her the candy, and hold on. We'll come right back. Yeah, it's crazy. I gave her a candy, and the other two are like, Dad? Hello? What are we, chopped liver? No spam, chill. So you got all daughters? Yeah, I got 3 daughters. I must have been like, I did something. Like I really screwed someone over. Right? Like I know I was a ratchet kid, right? Like I was a bad kid. And the big man upstairs, he's like, "You know what I got in store for you? Women." I'm like, "What?" He's like, "Yeah. And more women." I'm off to bed. It's 2 a.m. here, Wick. Thanks for the value you provide. Gotcha. How old are you, bro? And how old was you when you started to be profitable? I was 36 when I started to be profitable. 35. Strain your primary income? Yes. So Destiny works. You got what you need? Yes. Amen. Only printing girls. That's right. This printing press is set up for females only. Damn, you're a young motherfucker. 38. Chat, I'm 38. What age you get into trading? 33. You have 14 years? Bro, stop comparing yourself. Once again, the grind is not against me. The hustle is against poverty. I'll forever say this. Human printer, money printer, W printer. 38, bro, look like early shit. I shave my face. I get ID'd. I go to the store with my kids and they're like, "Where are your parents, guys?" I'm like, "I am the parent." What? What's a tiger rough, whatever that is. All right, I googled him. He's an Indian actor. Oh, he's a Bollywood star, yeah. Can I still enter trade? There's no Nintendos here. What do you do for tax purposes with only trading if it's not too personal? What do you mean? I have an accountant and I have a money manager. Get Tony and Matisse. We won't play a game here, but I could bring the Zoom on.
Hey, how are you, X?
What's up, man?
I'm good. Today the last day, huh?
Well, last day of the week.
Yes.
Did you take trade?
Yes, now at Excel.
Oh, you took a sell now?
Yeah.
Did you take our trade, the one we were in?
No,
Why not?
I was asleep.
Makes sense. Yeah, when I sleep, I don't trade either. It's like a rule I have. If I'm sleeping, I try not to place trades. But sometimes the shit does not work and you wake up and you be like, what the f?
Yeah, like today I was at I opened buy, so I was waiting maybe for 4 hours, 6 hours. Say what the fuck? And I put TP, I go to sleep. When I wake up, I say this move.
All right, all right. Broker using in the next year. Next year, guys. Is that Egyptians or Saudi Arabia? I don't know. Matis, what are you? What's your
From
nationality?
we are from near Dubai, you know. I
Yeah,
think
but
everyone
what's
here
your
know.
nationality? Like
What do
that's
you
where you
mean
were born?
national? Yeah, yeah. We
Okay,
are
so
from
you're what? You're Arabic, right?
yeah, Middle East people.
Chat, it's Friday. You ain't got no job. You ain't got shit to do. I'm gonna get you high today. Don loves it when I say that. Let's get all 1K of us in the Zoom for the one time. Nah, it'll fucking crash the Zoom, crash the stream. Near Dubai sounds cooler than Arabic. True. True. All of us on Zoom call unmuted. Too wild. Too wild. Chat, I'm gonna roll a J for now while we're on stream here, just kicking it and waiting for the market to do something. Wix 9 over here is planning things. The holy joint, that's right. We're gonna roll this baby. Wix, you got hotkeys for closing half or quarter position? No, I get a warm, fuzzy feeling, not a hotkey. What I do is, right, because I trade a 10 lot, so I typically open 2 5 lots, right? And I close, when I close one of the positions, that's basically closing half, right? I have CHS, I can no longer touch the holy hemp. Well, you need to fire CHS. How many percent you lose when you lost trade? What do you mean? My last loss was 6%. My last loss. Hey, John Doe. Thank you for the $10. Always supporting Devious. Can't join a Devious Discord. Keep saying link invalid. Hopefully soon sent you a DM on Insta. Yo, can somebody drop a valid link? I don't know what's up with that link. In chance of a second position, I was late on the first. So many things have to happen. And you have news here in 40 minutes, right? Let's see, NYC Open. You're gonna have to wait for the news to play out here because we're gonna need to see this hourly through. And once you see that through, the news comes. My last loss was my house on Jerome's speech. Wild. Right there, there's a valid link. I think Martin just posted it, so go over there, join the Discord. Don retired without doing 24-hour stream. He did like 3 of them. He wasn't really on for the entire 24. But when we did a legit like 12-hour stream, he hit me up. He was like, yo, you want to do a 12-hour stream tonight? I was like, sure, let's do it. And I stayed on for like 6 of those hours. Or 8 of those hours. Same thing, unable to join server. What the hell?
Many,
Oh, go to controllerfx.com.
many
Yeah, the
people.
link is there. It's fixed? All right, so the link works now. Go ahead. Try it. Right there. Let's help him get to our devious server.
Hmm. Bro, amazing this week, you know what I mean? This week, shit.
He's speechless, chat. He's got no words.
Damn.
We paid him for that testimonial. I was like, can you repeat shit like 8 times? Yo, thank you for coming through, bro. You've been on point, not missing any fucking streams. It's crazy.
I cannot, bro, because I need to learn everything, bro.
Need to learn everything.
Yes.
Same shit. It's working for others. What's going on, John Doe? Are you clicking the old link? Yeah, go to controllerfx.com and the link is over there. Dominion got fucked. What do you mean? What happened with Dominion? It's crazy. Every single week I hear a new broker getting screwed. USA and Canada got fucked, yeah.
Ask Whisk why we are selling many G37.
Why we are selling? No, Mateus is selling here, but is that Ike? Holy shit. Happy holidays, Wix, to you and the family down at Wix. Changed my life, and I'm forever grateful to you. 2024 gonna be fire. Yes, it is. W. Where you been, Ike? I haven't seen you in a while. All right, chat. The joints rolled. Perfect. Perfecto. How are you? The masonry guys outside that are doing my laying the bricks for my backyard just walked out with a lit joint. They all went, he's smoking? You're fucking selfish. How far should the 4 hour pull back? We don't know how far it's going to pull. Like you're once again in no man's land because you have NYC Open coming up right now, which should push the market, and you have news. Will the news be priced in into this NYC Open, or will we just range around? And then news will determine whether we come up or come down. Because I'm not really sure that this is a 4 hour bottom wick. It's like flashing candy to a kid. Fucking self. Ask if they want some. No, you know what I did? I left it burning in the ashtray right outside, right in front of them. And I went back inside. I'm testing them. I'm going to see if anyone wants to go take a pull. I literally left that just lit right in front of them. Right, I'm gonna come back and they're all like sitting around drinking beer. No, Mateus, you have to explain why you're in a position. I'm not in a position. You are.
Bro, I have a difficult to write, bro. If I write something, I will change everything. So
Okay, fine. Don't explain it.
yeah.
No explanation for that position, Jeff.
But I take sell because starting to go up, and I think it will take weeks fills, you know. Maybe it will fill that week fill. After that, maybe it will go up, you know. So that's why I take that sell. Nothing too much crazy. So I close already.
Yeah, you should have. Wix, you waiting for news before entry? Honestly, I think I'm gonna log off. I think I'm gonna call it a session here because it's been a great week. I don't really feel like looking for. We already got a W today. Chat, practice not over trading. Practice being satisfied with winning and moving on. At some point, like, because if you're not satisfied, not like when will you be satisfied? Like, you're not gonna make the $1 million in one sitting here. Just if you don't get up, that doesn't mean you'll be richer, right? But I think if you do call it a day, you'll be that much wiser. All right. Let's see how NYSE opens here, but that'll be it. Chad, drop a like, sub to the channel if you haven't done so yet. If you're enjoying the breakdowns, the trades, the W's, right? Least you can do is sub to the channel. No explanation for what? I'm not giving out broker names because last time I did that, the broker fucking closed down and I never got paid. I never got paid for anyone that went over there either, right? So if I'm going to recommend somebody, it's not going to be at my expense. It's going to be at the broker pocket's expense. So when they pay me to promote them or say something, that's when I will. And until then, there will not be a mention of brokers. I'm using a combination of 3 brokers, and I don't like any of them, to be honest with you, until we see the chat. But I'm still getting my positions activated lately, thank God. Yeah, when the brokers decide, hey, we should reach out to Wix and pay him, all right, then we'll see what happens. It's worth it for them. If you're a broker, hey man, I got plenty of screen space to. Oh, not necessarily a broker. If you're any company, right, and you're looking to promote, let me know. We got plenty of screen space to add you, and then the discussions here are pretty wild, right? Become part of our discussion. Be there or be square. That's right, Jose. Where's the space? Well, you see how half the screen is black right now? We can add. It'll either go on top of me or below me. All right, Green. You know what? Whatever. The space is really more for Asian session. Yeah. Look, your ad here. Hey, I'm wearing a white tee. Your ad here. All right. Your ad here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have the camera like this. Word on the forehead. Okay. Ooh, what a 30 opening here. Oh, we need to flip the tape. What's gonna flip, the tape or the candle? Yeah, chat, I'm gonna call it a session here because even if this 30 flips, I'm not confident in the drive because of the news. I think we're gonna have to hold up here for the news. We're creating this kind of bit of a range, right? Gang, I will see you on Tuesday. If I don't see you on Tuesday or next week, happy holidays to everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year if we don't see you, but we'll be live next week for both New York and Asian starting on Tuesday, all right? Yeah, drop a like, sub to the channel before you dip. I appreciate you guys showing up the entire week. Congrats to everybody that caught every single dub this week. Wix can't lie. Didn't like you before, but you proved me wrong this week. You're dope, man. That's the best. Those are the best comments, right? Not the ones that like, oh, I love what you're doing, but the ones that were like haters that turned into believers. Those are the best ones. Appreciate you, Mo. We used to get a lot of those, right? When we just started streaming Asian, a lot of people were like, yeah, I don't know. And then like, oh, all right. I can fuck with this. Anyway, mods, thank you so much for helping me run the stream. Chat, love and wisdom to you all, as always. Wix, do you go through a flow state and trading while high? No, it's homeostasis for me. It's basic. It's standard for me. Flow state. Everyone in the Zoom, Mateus, thank you so much for coming through. The rest of the Zoom gang, thank you so much for coming. Hold on, I got Wix 11 here that's asking me for candy as well. Chat, look, this is the other one. This is the older one, or the middle one, right? The older than the last one. Say good night to them, or good morning. Say goodbye.
Say bring out the red version.
Yeah, Wix 11 is here. Identical. No, they're not. Spasibo, bro. You're welcome, Ega man. It's that time, gang. Put on your dancing shoes or take off your chancletas. Patasucias are all over the dance floor waiting for the song to come on. And here you go, guys. Have a good weekend. Enjoy your holidays. Spend them with family. And make sure you let your family know how much they mean to you. We never know how many more holidays we have left with them. And that's what I'm going to do when I see my parents this weekend. All right, gang. Love and wisdom to you all. Enjoy the profits. All right. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Later, everybody.